okay? If we need 14 subnets, so how we can make these 14 subnet, because this was the IP address, okay? This was the IP address as we discussed in our last meeting. So this was the default. So this is your prefix notation, /24. /24 mean, what it mean, /24? What this /24 mean, please tell me. Yes. Yes, Reem, Nov. Can you tell me what is this 24 mean, this 24? Yes. Hello.
Interface.
Can you hear me? No, this 24 mean 24 bit for the network. It mean, so how many bits for the network? If it is /24, 24 bit for the network. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So these 24 bits were the subnet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these are the 24 bit for the subnet. Okay, so 24 bit for the subnet. See, this is our first octet, this is the second octet, and this is our third octet. Means total how many bits we have in each octet? 8 bits. 8 bit. 8 bit. So total how many we have for the network? 24 bits. Yeah, that is why we are writing /24. Okay, /24. Okay, so this is /24. If you will see here, you can find, okay, 1 minute. See here. So this is /24. Okay, this is /24. So it means 24 bit for the network, and but we need 14 subnet. Here, how many total subnets we have in this case? In this case, we have, suppose if it is 24 bit, it means you have, just let me take the calculator, I will show you. So 8 bit, 8 bit, 2 power 8. 1 minute. So 2 power 8. So it will be 256. In this case, how many bits are used for the host? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I don't have this 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 bit for the host. But here our requirement is we need 14 subnets. If we need a 14 subnet, in this case, we need to borrow some bits. We need to borrow some bit. So how many bit need to be borrowed? How many bit we need to borrow? See, 2 power 2, it become 4. It is not meeting our requirement, so it is less. So 2 power 3, it is 8. 8 is less than 14, so it is not meeting our requirement. Then 2 power, so 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 means 16. So 16 is greater than 14. So if it is greater than 16, near to 14, let me take some red pen. So if it is near to this value, because the 16 is closer to the 14, so this value now it is acceptable. So we will take how many bits we will borrow from the network portion. We borrowed 4 bits. Okay, we borrowed 4 bits. So how many bits we borrowed? Just let me take the eraser. So we borrowed 4 bits. So these 4 bits we need to borrow. Okay, so what we will do, we will change these bits to 1. So these 4 bits, sorry, up till this point. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry, this is not the one. Okay, so these 4 bit we need to borrow. So total 4 bit we borrowed. Okay, so because this is the, see here, we borrowed 4 bit just because of our requirement. Our requirement was 14 subnets. Okay, 14 subnet, always take the subnet, it will start from here. If you need to borrow the bit from this position. Okay, if you are going to borrow for the subnet. Okay, if you are going to calculate a subnet, please, if you are going to calculate a subnet, always borrow the bit from this position. Okay, this is the position. Sorry, 1 minute, let me take. Okay, so you need to borrow the bit from this position. Okay, this is the position. You need to borrow the bit. If you need, because we borrowed, how many bit we need to borrow? 4 bit need to borrow. So we will make this one from here. Okay, from this position we need to borrow if we are calculating a subnet. Okay, if we are calculating a subnet, always borrow the bit from here, from this position. Okay, it will start from this position. So we borrow bit 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 bit. Once we will borrow these 4 bit, so what is the position? What is the value? Here we have, this is our scale: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. If it is, see here, 128. So if you need to find, this is a number of subnet. If you are going to find a number of subnets, okay. So here, what will be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bit we already borrowed. Na? So we need to add these values: 128, 64, 32, and 16. If you add all these value, it become how much? How much will be the? So if you will add this one, last time we already discussed. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat. So if you will add 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16, so it is 240. Okay, so 240. So your subnet mask become, you can see here, so this become 240 because these are the values. So you need to add these values. Okay, so this is your subnetted values. Okay, these are your subnetted values. Okay, so if you will add these values, 128, 64, 32, 16, so it become 240. So your subnet mask will become 255, 255, 255, 240. Okay, so this will be your subnet mask. So last time we have seen and we filled the detail here. If you will see now, see here. Now let me go to this one, and here, so number of usable addresses, leave it here. Okay, okay, now see here. See, now this was the uh, the problem we need to solve. So number of subnet needed 16. What is a customized subnet mask? This is our customized subnet mask. Okay, and total number of host addresses 16. Number of bit borrowed, you can see we borrowed 4 bits, so we need to write. Okay, I hope this is just a revision. Now today we will start another problem. Just let me take the problem now. So open this IP addressing subnetting table, please, all of you. Open this one. Open it. And now we are going to discuss now the second problem here. So this subnetting is very, very important. Please, all of you, if you are finding any issue, okay, if you are finding any issue, please do let me know, all of you. Now this is your responsibility to tell me you are not understanding, you are facing issue, you are facing problem. Okay, so please, this is your responsibility to tell me. Okay, otherwise I think, because most of the students today, I will change my scenario as well. Okay, now here we need to solve this problem. Okay, all of you, please. So in this problem, first of all, we should know what is this address class. What is this address class? Can you tell me, please? What is this address class? Is it
C.
class A, B, or C? Okay, so C. Okay. Okay, so it is class C. Oh my God, no. Okay, this is class C. Okay, I will write it here, class C. Okay, this is class C. Let me delete, hide the commit list, or we can say delete. Okay, so this is class C. Okay, this is class C. Okay, so default subnet mask. So what is the default subnet mask here?
255.255.255.0.
Dot zero. Yeah, so this is a default subnet mask. Okay, so customized subnet mask we need to find. Okay, and total number of subnets, yes, we need to find. Total number of host addresses, yes, we need to find. Number of usable addresses, we need to find. Number of bit borrowed. So first we will borrow the number of bits. Okay, So how many bits we need to be borrowed? Here, now come to this point. So let me take the Excel sheet. First, I will take the Excel sheet. Okay. So here I will use some big here like 18. Okay. So the network address is 210. Okay, 210.156.0. 210.100.56.0. Okay. So this is the address. This is the address. Okay. So this is the address we have. This is the IP address we have. Okay. So 210. So this is our network address. Okay. I will say, let me write it here. So this is our network address. Okay. So this is our network address. Okay. So this is my network address. Okay. So 210.156.0. So this is my network address. So if this is my network address, let me take all the border here. So this is my network address. Okay. Now it belongs to class C. So how bit we need to be borrowed? This is now I need to do it. Okay. So here up to this point, okay, up to this point, no need to do a binary conversion. Here we don't need to convert anything. Okay. Now before going to do this one, so if we will convert, okay, I will do it here. Okay. So how many bit need to be borrowed? If I will write, see here, let me take the paint or notepad. Let me take notepad. Okay. See here, if I will borrow 2, how many bit need to be borrowed? Because we needed subnets is 6. Needed subnets is 6. Yes. So how many subnet we need? 6 subnet. Please, all of you open this problem number 5. Okay. Now I'm solving problem number 5. So needed subnet is 6. So this is our class C, and our default subnet mask, as I told you, 255, 255, 255, 255. Okay. Sorry, 255, 255.0. So this is our default subnet mask. So this is our default subnet mask. Okay. Default subnet mask. Okay. So this is our default subnet mask for this one. So it is class C, as we know. This is class C. So how many bit need to be borrowed? Because here this one we don't need to convert into a binary. Only this one need to be converted. Okay. So the last portion, because now the binary value here, okay, for this one here, now I'm going to convert this one into a binary, this 0. So it means in this, so total we have 4 groups. Yeah. Group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. Okay. These are the 4 groups, mean 4 octet. So here I'm going to write in the 8-bit this value, this now. Okay. This is the one. So this one, no need any conversion, nothing else. Here I will write all zeros. Okay. So here 8 zeros, we need to write 8 zeros. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I write 8 zeros. Okay. So 8 zeros. So here we have the 8 zeros, 8 zeros, 8 zeros. So suppose the 8-bit. So 1 minute. So here we have 8 bits. This is 8-bit, 8-bit, 8-bit. Total we have 32 bits. Okay. So the slash notation will be 24 slash. If I will write slash, it will be slash 24, because slash 24 mean 24 bit for the network. 24 bit for the network. It means this is for the network. This 8-bit, 8-bit, 8-bit. So if you will add these 8-bit, it become 24. It means 24 bit for the 24 bit for the network. 24 bit for the network. Okay. But we need 6 subnets. Okay. According to the problem number 5. Okay. We need 6 subnet. Needed subnet. How many needed? Needed subnet. Needed subnet. We need 6 subnet. Okay. We need 6 subnet. So if we need 6 subnet, just let me increase the font size. Okay. So needed subnet. Okay. So needed subnet is 1 minute. Okay. So needed subnet is 6. Okay. So we need 6 subnet. So how it become a 6? If we will take 2 power mean if we will borrow 2 bits, 1 and 2, if we borrow 2 bits, okay, 2 bits, if we borrow 2 bits, what will be the, see here, if we will borrow 2 bits, let me take int. If we borrow 2 bits, see here, needed subnet is 6, yeah. If we will borrow 2 bits, sorry, here let me take, and this one, if I will borrow 2 bits, okay, mean 2 power 2, so 2 power 2 mean 4, yes, but our needed subnet is 6, yes. If I will borrow 3 bit, what is the value here? Yes, 2 power 3, yes, tell me please, 2 power 3, yes, 8, so 8 is closer to the 6, yes, mean whether it should be 8 is greater than the 6, so whether it should be equal or greater than the 6, okay, it should be equal or greater than the 6, then it is acceptable. It means now 3 bits, it means we can borrow 3 bits, okay, not 1 2 bit we cannot borrow because our needed subnet is 6, okay. So now we are going to borrow 1 2 and 3 bits, okay, 3 bits we need to borrow. If we need to borrow these 3 bit, okay, these 3 bit, let me control X. So now I'm going to borrow these 3 bits, okay. So these 3 bits I'm going to borrow, okay. So 3 bit I need to borrow. So what is the position? What is the value here? The value, the scale. Now let me draw the scale, okay. So then you will better understand. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 1 to 8. See here. So this is our scale. These are the values. So this bit value is 128. This bit value 64. This bit value is 32. Okay. So let me take the snipping tool. Where is the snipping tool? Now I will play with this value. Okay. Let me take the snipping tool. Okay. See here. Now I'm going to play with this value. Okay. Okay. Now see. So number of bits control. This one. Let me take the new. Okay. So this is the value. Okay. Now here. See here. So now this is my scale 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So this is my scale. Okay. So each bit there is a value. Okay. This bit 128. This is the value for this bit. This bit 64. The value is 64. This bit, because it is, if you are going to find a network addresses, okay, number of network needed subnet. So we always start from here. Okay. Please keep it in your mind. If you are going to find, so it should start from this point, okay, it should start from here, okay, it should start from here. If you are going to find the network number of subnet, okay, number of subnet, here needed subnet 6, okay, so we will find here, not, please don't start the number of subnet from this point, it will be wrong. Please keep it in your mind. If you need to find the number of subnet, always start from here, okay, always start from here, okay, always start from here, okay. Now see here, so we need to add 128, 64, 32, and 16. So sorry, up to this point. Okay, we need to draw a line here. So we borrowed, how many bit we borrowed? Yes, please tell me. How many bit we borrowed? Tell me please. How many bit we borrowed? Yes, Mariam. Mariam, tell me how many bit I borrowed from the network portion? Yes. Mariam. Mariam, can you hear me?
Three.
3 bit. Please, all of you, please respond. This is very important. This is very, very important. In the exam, if you will not understand this subnetting, you will get 0 marks, because 12 marks only for the subnetting portion. 12 marks, very big marks. Okay. So please try to understand. I do care about you. I always care about you. Please, you need to learn the subnetting. Most of the students finding the most difficult part is the subnetting. Okay, please try to understand. I'm putting my full effort. I need your cooperation, your support. Okay, your attention I need. If you will not be attentive, wallah, you will not understand. I'm telling you. Okay, please be attentive, and you need to respond. Okay, next I will give you the problem, because this is a problem I'm going to solve. Next problem you will solve. Okay, I'm giving to all the students. I'm telling to all the students, the next I will give you the problem after 20 minutes. I will give you the problem. You need to solve and send me right now. Okay. So if you are not getting any point, please, you tell me. I will explain you. I will repeat you 100 times. Okay. But when I will give you the work, when I will give you the task, then that time you are not supposed to ask. Okay. Okay. So we borrowed 3 bits. How many bits we borrowed? 3 bit we borrowed. Okay. So number of bits we borrowed is 3. Okay, we borrowed 3 bits. Okay, so here we borrowed bit. Okay, I will write it here, borrowed bit. Let me write here, borrowed bit, borrowed bits. How many bits we borrowed? Okay, let me write it here. So now bit need to be, we borrowed 3 bits. Okay, we borrowed 3 bits. Okay, we borrowed 3 bits. You can see here 1, 2, and 3. These bits always start from here. Okay, if you are going to find the needed subnet or the subnetted number of subnets, then you always start from here. Okay, don't start from here. This is the host. If you need to find the host, then start here. I will tell you later on. Okay, for the host we will discuss later. So I draw a line here. So okay, why I draw the line, I will tell you later. So we borrowed 3 bits. Okay, we borrowed 3 bits. So now if you add 128, 64, 32, so add how? So add what you need to add, 128 plus 64 plus 32. So equal to how much? Yes, please tell me. What is this? If you add 128, 64, 32, so what will be the value? It will be, yes, any one of you tell me please. Yes, Sundas. If you add 128, 64, 32, what will be the answer? Sundas?
224.
224. Yes, 224. 224. Yes, good, good, Sundas. Thank you very much. So 224. So this is your answer. Okay. So this is your answer. See here, 224. Okay. Now we added these bit because we borrowed 3 bit and just add these values. This is the scale. As I told you, this is the scale. Okay. Up to this point, you need to add these bits. Okay. So you need to add the value of these bits, the values, the bits which is 1. Okay. Because we needed subnet is 6. 2 power, as I told you, 2 power 3. Okay. So here let me write 2 power 3. Okay. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So 8. So our needed subnet is 6. Okay. 8 is greater than 6. Okay. This is acceptable. It should not be less than. If it is less than 6, please ignore and take the next value. Okay. Always take the next value if it is less than the needed subnet. Okay. If it is less than the needed subnet, ignore the value. It should be equal or greater than the needed subnets. Okay. It should be equal or greater than the needed subnet. So this one is acceptable. And that is why we borrowed 3 bit, 1, 2, and 3 bit, and we add the value of each bit here. So this is the value of this bit, this is the value of this bit, and this is the value. Let me take some other color. So this is the value of this bit. So we added 128, 64, and 32. So it become 224. Now our subnet mask. So this is our subnet mask now. Okay, customized subnet mask. So customized subnet mask. So this is 255, 255, 255. Now it become, the last value will be, yes, please tell me. Yes, tell me what is the default subnet mask now? 255.255.255 dot. So here let me take this color. So now this is 224. This is 224. Okay. So write 224. So this is your default subnet mask. Okay. So this is your, sorry, this is your customized subnet mask. Default subnet mask is 255. This is a default subnet mask. Okay. Now we needed 6 subnet and our subnet become, our customized subnet become 255, 255, 255 dot 224. Okay. So this is our customized subnet mask. Okay. Let me write it here. Customized subnet mask. Okay. Customized subnet mask. Okay. Customized subnet mask. So this is our customized subnet mask. This is our customized subnet mask. Okay. So this is our customized subnet mask. This is our default. As I told you, this is our default. Okay. So this is our default subnet mask. This one. And now this is our customized subnet mask. Okay. So this is our customized subnet mask. Now, if you will see here, if I ask you, so here the needed subnet is 6, yes? So how we can make the 6 subnets? How we can make these 6 subnet? Can you tell me? How we can make these 6 subnet? What will be the first subnet? What will be the second subnet? What will be the third subnet? Fourth subnet value? Okay, network addresses. Now I will come to that point. First, let me write here. Now you need to tell me. So what is the default? What is the customized subnet mask? Please tell me. Yes. Now we need to write here. Okay, this is the problem. No? So what is our customized subnets?
255.
255. Yes. Dot 255. Okay. 255 dot
254.
224. Yes. Yeah. 224. So this is the one. No? So this is our customized. Yeah. So this is the one. 224. So this is 224. Okay. Clear? Okay. So now total number of subnets. So total number of subnets. How many total number of subnet based on this value? 2 power 3 mean 8. So total number of subnets is 8. Yeah. So total number of subnet you can make it 8. Yes. So 2 power 3 mean 8. But our needed subnet is 6. That is acceptable. It should be greater than or equal to. So it should be greater than or equal to 6. Okay. Greater mean it should be near to this value. Near to this value, but not less than. Less than value is not acceptable. Even if it is 5, 5 is not acceptable. 4 is not acceptable because the 4 is also near to, but it is less. Okay, less value is not acceptable. Okay, so needed subnet is, if we will say here needed number of needed, sorry, total number of subnets, we can make 8 because this is the value 8 now. So we can, total number of subnet is 8. So total number of host addresses now. See how you can find the host addresses. Now I'm going to tell you how you can find the host addresses. So host addresses mean, so these are your host addresses. Okay, so this is a network now.